Hi guys. Yeah, today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to create faces transplants, how to make faces transplants using Photoshop. Like you get a guy's picture, then you wanna replace the face with a girl's face. I will show you how it is done using Photoshop. So first of all, when you open up your laptop or your computer, then you open your Photoshop software. Now remember, first we have to go to File from the menu bar. You click on the file, then you click on New. When you click on New, it's gonna get you to the place where you get to set your, your paper, your A4 paper you'll be working on. Now it's already there. The options, you don't have to click on international paper. The centimeter, the width and the height and the resolution is already there. Then you just, if you're working with centimeter, I always like working with that, or millimeter, then you set it. After setting it, you click OK. Now once you click OK, it will get you to your, it will get to your paper which you'll be working on. Now remember to always create a layer, create new layer from the layer board. You create a new layer. Now that we've created a new layer, now let's go back to the menu. We go to the menu bar, then you click on the file. When you click on the file, now this time I don't have to click on open. You click on open. Now it will get you to the place where your storage place where you have all your documents and the pictures and all that. Now you have to choose the pictures from the pictures you have, the one you want to work on. Now let's just look for a nice picture. Okay, let's choose this one with a little kitty angel. Let's click. Now you have to double click, or you click once and then you go down and click open. Now we double click. Now it's gonna open this picture. Now that it's opened, so what we have to do again, we have to open another picture that we wanna replace the face with. Now you go back to your menu bar from the top, you click on file again. Now again you click on open. You click on open again. Now after clicking on open, you know what's gonna happen. It will get you to your place of storage. Then you have to choose the pictures again. Now let's choose a guy's picture. Let's look for a guy. Okay, yeah, here he is. Now we have this young cutie Lars. Now we double click and it's gonna open the guy's picture. Okay, what next? Now we have to go back to our first picture, the girl's picture, or anyone you want to work on, but I just want to replace the girl's face using the guy's face. Now you click on the girl's picture, it's gonna come out. Now we have to go to our pen tool, our tools, varieties of tools here. So we have to click on pen tool. We go to our pen tool, we get it. I like using pen tool a lot. So you get your pen tool. Once you get your pen tool, you use it and select the face. Now you can see the girl has a weave on that's almost covering her forehead. Yeah, forehead. So we have to, okay, let's just see what we can do. I'm not gonna cut off the wig, so I will show you how it works. I'm not gonna cut off the wig, but it's gonna make the face. It's not gonna be all of the face, but we'll replace it. Now you select. Make sure you select carefully. You select the girl's face very well. You select the girl's face. Now we're not gonna remove the wig. We're just gonna leave the wig as it is. We're just gonna cut it from here. We cut it from here. Yeah, that is it. Now that we have selected it, you right click and then click on make selection. Then the feather radius is gonna be 0 pixel. Then we click OK. Now the highlight sign is there. Then you copy, Control C, or you go from edit and then copy. and then you Control X, you delete. When you must have copied it, then you click Control X, we delete it. You see the face is white now. Yes. With second thing you will do, you go to the next picture, the guy's picture. Now you click on the guy's picture, it's there. Now we still have our pen tool, sign showing here. Now you have to select the guy's face. I guess the guy's face here is longer. Now you select the guy's face. Select accurately if you're working for a client, but it's always okay to select accurately even if you're working on your own. Now we select the guys first. We select the guy's face. Remember, we cut somewhere from the girl's face because she has wig. I think we're gonna do that from here. I don't know how it's gonna be, but we're gonna do that from here. Now that we've selected it, we right click and then click on make selection. Again, we click OK. Then after clicking OK, you copy, Control C. Then we copy. We go back to the girl's picture. Now we paste, Control V. We paste. Now we drop our pen tool. We drop it so that we can be able to work on this very well. Now that the picture is here, you Control T. Click on Control T for transformation, so that we can reduce the size of this picture of this face. You can reduce the size. You can see it. Now we can reduce the size a bit more. You reduce the size. Then from here we can rotate it a bit. You can rotate it a bit. You can rotate it a bit more. Okay, now here you can just set the places you wanna set. I think we've set it. Now that we have it here, I think it's not okay. Then we have to click on enter. You click on enter again. You go from edit, from transform, because you will not get the option well if you click from if you just click Control T. Now you go to from edit, then click on transform, then click on warp. Click on warp. Now it's gonna get you this option again, so that you can be able to shape the face very well. Let's see what we got here. Now we can do some stuffs. You're seeing it clearly. So we can, do some mendings and all that. We can do some, so it's gonna fit in very well. Yeah, so you have to set it very well so that enter, then click on enter. Yeah, that's it. This is what we got, you see. So this is the girl's picture that we replaced with our guy's face. Now remember, you click on the background, you lock the background layer. Once you lock the background layer, so you can be able to merge the two work. You click on the background layer, then you lock, you merge visible. Now, so this is it. This is what we've created. This is the girl's picture that we turned into a guy's face. So it's crazy anyway. So, but you just have to learn how to do some of these crazy stuffs sometimes. So see you guys on the next video. Wish you all the best.